What's up, Juba people? So, one of my students introduced me to this new song. Well, it's not new, it came out in 2020. Paper Thin by Lilian La Havas. And we've been doing some of her songs. And really nice chill style, intermediate level style playing. So, not that hard, but it is some bar chords and things. I'll show you easy versions of the chords though, if you just want to relax and you don't want to get too stressed out. So, it sounds like this. The verse goes like this. Paper thin. And then the chorus. Sweet. So let's get it to a close-up. Download the PDF. It's got the chords and lyrics. You'll find the links in the description. And let's do this. Boom. Okay. So the first three chords are all minor seventh chords. D minor 7, E minor 7, and A minor 7. Now you can play that a bunch of ways. I'm going to show you now. So the minor 7 shape, the D minor 7 shape, you can do it like this. Let me just get some volume here. Okay, so you got the D minor 7 at the 5th fret, okay, and E minor 7 at the 7th fret. So you do that a few times and then you go to A minor 7 at the 5th fret. So, but the A minor 7 you can also play like this. Now, let me just show you the easy way to play this. So you could take this shape for A minor 7, D minor 7, 10th fret, E minor 7, 12th fret. So you go. This is probably what she's doing. Not that she's not a good guitar player, she's really good, I think. But it sounds really jazzy. Paper thin. I would rather play it like that actually. For the chorus we have these two major 7 chords. C major 7, 3rd fret. But then we bar with the index finger, you'll see why in a second. But that's C major 7 and then the same chord at the 8th fret. Okay. And then if you bar you could do this hammer on thing. And then here you could do so. The picking pattern throughout the song is just basically ba 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 ba. But for the intro and the verses, you do this kind of variation. So let's just do this. And I'm adding random notes, which she does as well. So and here you just adapt the picking pattern to work with the strings. Get the idea. Okay, and then basically then it's just a matter of fitting the chords and the picking over the lyrics. So just follow along with the PDF. It's really very simple. You can download the PDF in the description. It's free. You have to register, but there's no scams involved. I give private lessons, so if you want to take private lessons from me, you can use the code. Let me write the code down. 25 off. Wait, everything's caps. Juba. Use that code to get $25 off your first month of lessons. Okay. Cheers. Have a nice day. Bye.